In this video, I will show you how we can change the background or background color, it doesn't matter, in PicsArt completely free. First, we need to open PicsArt, make a new project, and for example, I have this background right here. And we have a few options to change it. What we can do first, so we click on this bar right here, and we're gonna go to shapes. We're gonna select this, for example. We can stay with the circle, doesn't really matter. And with the shape that we have selected, we're gonna click on color. And now we're gonna select a background color that we want. We can also click on gradient to mix two colors together. Let's say we want red and yellow, right? But we can also add in a texture or an image. If we click on the left here, you can insert an image or choose a texture right here. And now we're just gonna drag it over the entire thing. And now we have a new background. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.